guys, welcome back to my channel, Phoenix Creation. So as you can already see by the title and the thumbnail, today I am going to make this beautiful video, which is DIY miniature trees. So this video idea was highly requested by one of my very dear subscriber. So on her demand, today I am bringing this video on my channel. So without further delay, let's get on into the video. Let's go!
So for this you'll need cardboard, craft wire, paper clay, paints. So let's DIY coconut tree first. So for this you'll need some craft wires, as you can see, and then these green card papers. I'll just fold it from half like this, and then I'll just give it the shape of a leaf, and I'll just cut it like this, lines one by one. And now I'll just open this up, and as you can see, now the leaf is done. So now I'll just brush it off with my fingers to make it look like real leaf. And then once it's done, now I'll just make few more, and then I'll just start sticking them with craft wire together. And then I'll just also use some glue and stick the same paper strips on top of it so it can get secured properly. As you can see, this one, it's pretty secure now. Now I'll just repeat the same thing with all other leaves and the craft wires. So now as you can see, all the leaves are now stuck to the wire properly. And then now I'll just stick all of them together with some clear tape. So first I'll just bend the leaves like this, little bit. And then you'll stick it all with clear tape. Okay, so as you can see, now it's completed and it's looking something like this. Now I'll just take some silver aluminum foil and I'll just crush it like this, and then I'll start rolling it around the tree branch. To make it more thick, I'll just make the base with the foil. You can also use newspaper instead of foil also, but over here I'm using foil. And then, as you know, the coconut tree is white from the bottom, we can say, so that's why I'll just stick some more foil over there, and then I'll just fold it like this because it's little bit bent. And then I'll just start using my paper clay on top of the foil, so it will give the perfect and desired shape I want. Now I'll just take this cardboard cutout and I'll just make a huge hole and then stick this tree. So now I'll just start covering this part of cardboard also with paper clay, so this will make the base. So now after that is done, now we'll just make small coconuts with paper clay, and then after it gets dried, as you can see, I've made quite a lot of them, and then I'll just start sticking it to the tree like this. So it's a lot of coconuts in one place, so I'll just stick like that. So as you can see, this is done. Now we'll start painting the ground. So I'll just start painting the ground little muddy, and I'll just use some yellow paint for that. and I'm painting with acrylic paints, so you can also paint like that. And then I'll just give some highlights with light and dark shades, and then I'll just start painting the tree trunk maybe with a brown paint, black and brown mixed paint, and I'll just start painting it completely. Then I'll just highlight this also with black paint. And then I'll just highlight the leaves also to make it real. Okay, so once that is done, now I'll just start painting the coconuts also. So you know which color the coconuts are, so you can paint according to that. And then I'll just highlight the coconuts too. So this is how the final coconut tree looks like, and this is how it looks when it's dried and completed. So as you can see, the coconut tree is done now. Now let's make the second part of the video, which is DIY banana tree. So over here also I'm taking the same thing, craft wires and green paper. But now the thing is that I'll just cut the shape of the leaf little different, and I'll just cut the shape of the leaf like a banana leaf. So as you can see, this is what it looks like, and then I'll just cut it like this. So here's the banana leaf, and now I'll just highlight it first, and for that I'll be using some light acrylic paint, like shade of acrylic paint, and then the darker one, of course. So I'll just repeat the same thing for all the leaves, and I'll just highlight them. After that I'll just use some light paint, and I'll just make a line in the middle. So as we all know, banana leaves are really very huge, so you can see I've made quite a few of them. And now I'll just start sticking them with the same craft wire and the same process which I just had made the coconut tree too. So I'll just use the same thing, and then the same paper stripe, I'll just stick it on top of it to secure it. So once all are done, as you can see, now I'll just use my fingers and bend them a little. So now as you can see, all are completely bent and it's even now. So now I'll just stick all of them together using the same clear tape. And now the same thing I'll do over here also. I'll just take silver foil and I'll just start crushing it, and then I'll just start rolling it to the tree trunk, and I'll just roll it like this. So as you know, that the banana tree is quite huge and it's thick also. Not huge exactly, it's thick, and then I'll just stick it over here on the cardboard base, and then I'll start covering it with paper clay again, and this banana tree will be white. So now over here I'll just use some glue and stick some rocks out of paper clay. So once that is done, as you can see, it looks something like this. Now I'll just make some bananas out of paper clay. As you can see, it's dried now. And now I'll just take this cardboard coiling, and then I'll just stick one by one all the bananas to it, so it will create the banana bunch. So as you can see, this banana bunch is now ready and completed. and it looks so adorable. Now I'll just start painting it with yellow and greenish paint. So after that I'll just start painting the base of it with green color. So this will give the grassy effect, and then I'll just highlight it with light and dark shades. And now I'll just start painting the tree with the green paint again, and it's slightly neon paint. So I'll just give the highlights too. And now I'll just paint the rocks also with brown shade. And then I'll just highlight them also. Now I'll just start sticking the banana bunch to the tree. So this was the final banana tree which I made, as you can see. It also looks so adorable and cute. So this is how both of them looks when you decorate it in any part of your home, and to be honest, I just love them, and it completely gives me a different vibe. So this was the final video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.